It's time to equip yourself with the perfect companion for your daily hustle. Meet our casual everyday backpack, the perfect balance between style and functionality. With 10 liters of interior space, our backpack is carefully designed to fit your everyday essentials. Crafted from 600D polyester, this backpack is waterproof, keeping your valuables safe and dry even after being soaked in rain. Experience seamless access with the renowned YKK zippers that are super smooth and durable. Ensuring your daily hustle is hassle-free. Say goodbye to shoulder and back strains. The soft foam backing and adjustable air straps made this backpack super comfortable to carry. Need something in a flash? Our backpack comes with a front shove-it pocket for quick and easy access to frequently needed items. And when it comes to security, we've got you covered. With our anti-theft hidden back pocket, your valuable items are safeguarded, providing peace of mind while you travel or commute. Our backpack features a side pocket with a zipper and an attached gold key clip. It's the perfect place to store your keys securely, so you'll never have to rummage through your bag again. But that's not all. With the dedicated water bottle slot pocket, refreshment is just an arm's length away. And guess what? As a bonus, your backpack comes with a 1-liter vacuum-insulated stainless steel water bottle. So, what are you waiting for? Carry on to your next adventure with us.